Kuvam Technologies, partner for your growth. We are on a mission to help manufacturers to build world-class products at attractive prices by using technologies which will help them to manufacture highly reliable products. We at Kuvam Technologies believe in win-win-win relationship. That is, win for the customer, win for the team, win for the Kuvam. Who we are? We help Indian manufacturers to build world-class products at very attractive prices by supplying various mechatronics products like CNC milling spindles, electro spindle, CNC rotary table, CNC rotary production system, CNC tilting rotary table, hydraulic indexing table, built-in cylinder power chucks, two-axis head, angular heads,